AI will pretty much touch everything we do. It's more likely to be correct and grounded in reality. Talk to the AI about how to do better. It's a very deep philosophical conversation. It's a bit above my pay grade.
I'm going to say something, and it's going to sound completely opposite of what people feel. You probably recall over the course of the last 10 years, 15 years, almost everybody who sits on a stage like this would tell you it is vital that your children learn computer science. Everybody should learn how to program. And in fact, it's almost exactly the opposite. It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program. And that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer. This is the miracle.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, from its humble beginnings in 1950s, AI has evolved from the simple problem solving and symbolic reasoning to the advanced machine learning and deep learning techniques that power some of the most innovative applications we see today. So AI is not just a buzzword. It is a revolutionary force reshaping industries, enhancing daily life, and creating unmatched opportunities across various sectors. AI is changing numerous fields. In healthcare, it aids in early disease diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. In finance, it transforms money management with the robo-advisors and fraud detection system. The automotive industry is seeing the rise of autonomous vehicles that navigate traffic and recognize obstacles, while retail and e-commerce benefit from personalized shopping experience and optimized supply chain management. So one of the most exciting developments in the AI is the rise of advanced AI tools like ChatGPT 4o, Google Gemini, and generative AI models. So these tools represent the pinnacle of conversational AI, capable of understanding and generating human-like text with remarkable accuracy. ChatGPT 4o can assist in writing, brainstorming ideas, and even tutoring, make it a valuable resource for students, professionals, and creatives. Similarly, Google Gemini takes AI integration to the next level, enhancing search capabilities, providing insightful responses, and integrating seamlessly into our digital lives. Generative AI is a subset of AI, is also making views by creating new content from scratch. Tools like DALL-E, which generates images from textual description, and GPT-3, which can write coherent and creative text, are just the beginnings. So these technologies are changing fields like art, design, and content creation, enabling the generation of unique and personal outputs that were previously unimaginable. So beyond specific industries, AI applications extend to everyday's life. Voice-activated assistants like Siri and Alexa and smart home devices learn our preferences and adjust our environments accordingly. So AI is embedded in the technology we use daily, making our lives more convenient, connected, and efficient. So join us as we explore the future of AI, examining the breakthroughs, the challenges, and the endless possibilities that lies ahead. So whether you are a tech enthusiast, a professional in the field, or simply curious about what's next, so this video will provide you with a comprehensive look at how AI is shaping our world and what we can expect in the years to come. So before we move forward, as we know, ChatGPT, Gemini, generative AI tools is an AI based. And if you want to learn how these cool AI develop and want to create your own.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, SImplilearn has your back.
So try SImplilearn's postgraduate programs in AI and machine learning from Purdue University in collaboration with IBM. So this course teaches in-demand skills such as machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning, generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, and many more. So don't forget to check out the course link from the description box below and the pinned comment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So how AI will impact the future? The first is enhanced business automation. AI is transforming business automation with 55% of organizations adopting AI technology, chatbots, and digital assistant handle customer interaction and basic employee inquiries, speeding up decision making. The second thing is job disruption. Automation may displace jobs, with a one-third to takes potentially automated, while roles like securities are at risk. Demand for machine learning specialists is rising. AI is more likely to augment skilled and creative positions, emphasizing the need for upskilling. Data privacy issues. Training AI models requires large dataset, raising privacy concerns. The FTC is investigating OpenAI for potential violation, and the Biden-Harris administration introduced an AI bill of rights to promote data transparency. The fourth one is increased regulation. AI impact on intellectual property and ethical concern is leading to increased regulation. Lawsuits and government guidelines on responsible AI use could reshape the industry. Climate change concern. AI optimize supply chains and reduce emission, but the energy needed for the AI models may increase carbon emission, potentially negating environmental benefits. So understanding these impacts help us to prepare for AI's future challenges and opportunities. So now let's see what industries will AI impact the most. The first one is manufacturing. AI enhances manufacturing with robotic arm and predictive sensors, improving tasks like assembly and equipment and maintenance. The second is healthcare. AI changes healthcare by quickly identifying diseases, streamlining drug discovery, and monitoring patients through virtual nursing assistant. The third one, finance. AI helps bank and financial institutions detect fraud, conduct audits, and assess loan applications, while traders use AI for risk assessment and smart investment decisions. The fourth one, education. AI personalizes education by digitizing textbooks, detecting plagiarism, and analyzing student emotions to tailor learning experience. The fifth one, customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide data-driven insights, enhancing customer service interaction. So these industries are experiencing significant changes due to AI, driving innovation and efficiency across various sectors. So now let's move forward and see some risks and dangers of AI. So AI offers many benefits but also poses significant risks. The first one, job loss. From 2023 to 2028, 44% of worker skills will be disrupted. Without upskilling, AI could lead to higher unemployment and fewer opportunities for marginalized groups. The second one is human biases. AI often reflects the biases of its trainers, such as facial recognition favoring lighter skin tones. Unchecked biases can perpetuate social inequalities. The third one, deepfakes and misinformation. Deepfakes blur reality, spreading misinformation with dangerous consequences. They can be used for political propaganda, financial fraud, and compromising reputation. The fourth one, data privacy. AI training on public data risks breaches that expose a personal information. A 2024 Cisco survey found 48% of businesses use non-public information in AI tools, with 69% concerned about intellectual property and legal rights. Breaches could expose millions of consumers' data. The fifth one, automated weapons. AI in automated weapons fails to distinguish between soldier and civilian, posing severe threats. Misuse could lead endanger large population. Understanding these risks is crucial for responsible AI development and the use. So as we explore the future of AI, it's clear that impact will be profound and far-reaching. AI will change industries, enhance efficiency, and drive innovation. However, it also brings significant challenges, including job displacement, biases, privacy concern, misinformation, and the ethical implementation of automated weapons. So to harness AI potential responsibly, we must invest in upskilling our workforce, address biases in AI system, protect data, privacy, and develop regulations that ensure ethical AI use. So thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AI. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the latest technology. See you next time. Thank you and keep learning with SImplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the SImplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.